Hello everyone, this is G plus 22 story building which I have designed during the course of structural and foundation analysis by Skyfi Labs. So there are multi-level plan views from story 1 to 8. This is the plan view. From story 9 to 14, this is the plan view, and from 15 to 19 this, and 20 to 23 this is the plan view, and this is the 3D view of the model. So basically I have designed this building using the IS 875 part 1, part 2 and part 3 for dead load, live load and wind load respectively. So first there is a procedure, like first you have to define material properties, then section properties, then draw the model, then assign restraints and loads, and then analyze and design, and then at last detail. So in defining material properties, I have defined 3 materials: M40, HYSD 500 and mile 250. M40 for concrete design and HYSD 500 for longitudinal reinforcement, and mile FE 250 grade for transverse reinforcement. So you can add new material and then define the properties. So the material properties will be defined. Then next step is to assign section properties. Define section properties. So in frame sections, you can define beam and column sections. So I defined 3 beam section, 500 by 300, 550 by 350 and 600 by 400, 3 beam sections, and 3 column section, 500 by 500, 550 by 550 and 600 by 600. So the process I have used is beam auto select and column auto select option. So in this option, auto select, the software chooses which beam is suitable for, which section is suitable for which beams and columns. Okay. So this is the section frame properties. Then under section properties, I have defined slab sections. Slab 150 mm thickness. Here M40 grade. A modeling type is tensile element and 150 mm thickness. So after defining, I have drawn the model. The columns and beams and slabs using quick draw options, and then I have assigned the load cases and load properties. So under define you can go to load patterns, and I have assigned dead load, live load, wind load. Wind load as per IS 875 1987 part 3. So after defining load patterns, you can give load combinations. So these are the load combinations. And then assign shell loads, dead load, live load as per the problem statement. Since I have run the analysis, so this option is not coming. And then you can run analysis and design and then detail. So I have already done all these things. I am just explaining what the model 23 story building. In detailing, in Model Explorer, under detailing, you can view all the detailing plan and elevation view. This is cover sheet. Under floor framing plan, you can see floor framing plan of story 23 and story 19. You can also zoom this. You can see the beam name and detailing. Then you can view concrete column schedule. Here you will get all the details about sections and reinforcements. Suppose this is section B of column, so you can view column section B here. So this is column section B. You can zoom and pan and see. These are all detailing. Likewise, you can see all the detailing drawings of the model. And under report section, you can double click on project report to see the report. You can print and change it to Word document also. So this will take some time. This model is designed for Bangalore city, so wings and all data are given according to the city of Bangalore. Here is the contents of project report, cover page, body data, grid data, and all properties, assignments, everything will be given in the project report. It's taking some time. So here is the report, E-Type 16, all the contents and tables, all load assignments and restraints and all the model properties will be given in this report. Similarly, you can view the summary report also. And if this option is to export to Word document, and this option is to print the report. These are drawing details. You can close this. Now, since we have done the analysis, we can see the analysis results. Like here, we can see the display option, energy work diagram, virtual work diagram, apply. So here is this diagram, here 7.0, this. Then you can see the deformed shape of for any load case, dead load, live load, min load, or combination of that. And then here you can use it, apply. So this is the deformed shape. Then you can see the force and stress diagrams, shell stresses, shell stresses. Apply. Okay. So these are the stresses. You can put the cursor and see the values. 1.73 megapascal for dead. This is stress diagram for the slabs. So this was the model of 23-story building which I've designed and analyzed and designed in the E-Type software 2016 version. Thank you.